My name is Dean Jacobs. I own Dean's Cake House in Andalusia. Been here for about 25 years. Well, it sounds stupid, but when I started making, I made it till my dome got full, and then I had to quit. It just happened to be 7 layers. It could have been 6 or 8, but it worked out just right good for 7. So we started calling it 7-layer layer. I've never had very much advertising. You hope they'll keep coming, and thank the Lord that's what they've done with me. That's okay. You just stay back here. We'll take a picture of you.
Yeah.
The customers and my employees is my favorite thing, because they'll do anything for me and I'll do anything for them.